Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trupti. Today I'll show you how to get the trending foxy eye look without any botox or surgeries. This look was mostly popularized by the supermodel Bella Hadid, and you can often see her sporting this eye look. This look makes you look younger, sultry and whatnot because your eyes look lifted. So let's begin. So we'll be mainly focusing on our eyebrows and eye for this look. The goal here is to create an illusion of uplifted eyebrows and eyes. I've seen many people shaving off the tail of their eyebrows to create that foxy look, but today we'll not be doing that. Instead, we'll be filling our eyebrows as straight as possible to create an illusion of uplifted eyebrows. I will not be focusing on the arch of my eyebrows. Instead, I'll be trying to fill it as straight as possible. I will also be making them fluffier than usual. We'll also be making our eyes look more almond shaped than usual because that is considered to be most attractive. So after you're done filling your eyebrows, clean up the underside of your eyebrows with a concealer. Leave the upper part as it is, as we are making our eyebrows fluffier and not look very clean and crispy. Here I am using Wet n Wild's retractable brow pencil in the shade medium brown. Now for the eye part, as I said earlier, we are basically creating an illusion of uplifted eye with the help of eyeshadows. For the crisp, clean edges, I'll be taking sticky tape and I'll be sticking it a couple of times on the back of my hand to remove most of its stickiness, and then I'll stick it at the corner of my eye like this. I'll be using Wet n Wild's Rosé in the Air palette, and taking this light shade, I'll be setting my entire eyelid space. Next, I'll be taking this brownish transition shade from the palette with the help of this flat shader brush, and I'll be running it along the edges of the sticky tape. You don't have to be super precise while doing this step because the edges of the sticky tape will take care of it for you. With a clean flat blending brush, I'll be running this color into my crease as well to give it some definition and depth. This blending brush is from Wet n Wild. From the same palette, I'll be taking this dark brown shade with the help of the flat shader brush which we used earlier, and I'll be running it on top of the previous shade which we applied earlier. This is to create some depth and definition in our eye look. Next, with the help of a small pencil brush, I'll be taking the same dark brown color and I'll be running it along the edges of the sticky tape almost like a liner, but I'll be extending it on my eyelid as well to provide some continuity. To avoid any harsh edges, I'll be using the same blending brush which we used earlier to diffuse all the shades. Next, I'll be taking a black eye pencil. This is from Lakme. I'll be applying it on top of the brown shade which we used earlier. This is basically to create the decreasing gradient. To know more about it, you can click on that eye button where I've spoken about it on my 5-minute smoky eye tutorial. I'm blending this kajal out with some black eyeshadow and some blending brush and diffusing it again with the blending brush which we used earlier to again avoid sharp edges. Now's the magical moment where we take off the sticky tape to reveal the clean, sharp edge. Since we are going for that elongated eye look, I'll be taking black eyeshadow with the help of a pencil brush and I'll be extending my inner corner also. This makes our eye look more elongated, more long, more almond shaped. You can easily see how it makes my eyes so elongated and looks so pretty. For my lower lash line, I'll be again taking that brown shadow with a small pencil brush and I'll be applying it only to the outer third of my lower lash line, and I'll be topping it off with a black eyeshadow just at the corner, and I'll also make sure that the lower lash line and the upper lash line shades are connected to give that continuity. In my lower waterline, I'll be using a nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. This just makes my eyes look open and big. I've prepped my eyelashes with eyelash curler for mascara, and I'll be using Maybelline's Colossal Volume Express Mascara today. False eyelashes are totally optional, but I'm using PAC 53 lashes today for this look because I think it totally complements this eye look. So this is the difference between my left eye and right eye. The right eye look totally gorgeous, right? I'll be tightlining my upper lash line with the same kajal which I used before. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'll be taking this gorgeous silver shade, and this is the final outcome of my eye look. I absolutely love it. For my contour today, I'll be using this mini contour palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'll be defining my cheekbones, my jawline, and also my forehead. Using this gorgeous bronzer from Wet n Wild, I'll be bronzing my cheeks, my forehead to just give that sun-kissed effect. This is a lip and cheek tint from Lakme, and I'll be using it as my blush today. This is an absolutely gorgeous shade and I absolutely love it. I quickly changed my outfit and added a little accessory to suit this look, and I'll be using this highlighter from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals, and I'll be highlighting the highest points of my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, all the highlighting points basically. And now I'm setting my entire face with a Maybelline Fit Me powder. For my lips, I'll be using the shade Bon Bon from the Nykaa Matte Mini Lipstick range. I powdered down my lipstick to make it more matte, and I'm finishing off the look with a setting spray by Wet n Wild. And this is the finished look, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please like, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.